This is the SRPE 3 o'clock conversion case with product number RC1000 at our store Watch and Style. This video will show you how to install the bezel, the chapter ring, and the sapphire crystal glass of the SRPE 3 o'clock conversion case. The SRPE conversion case bought at our store, Watch and Style, already comes with a slim case back and a gasket. Likewise, this bezel available at Watch and Style store with product code R0929 comes with a crystal gasket and a bezel casket. First step is to install the bezel. Make sure that the pre-installed bezel gasket is present. This bezel can be installed using a crystal glass press. Pressing a bezel has the same procedure and precaution as when we are pressing a glass. It is best to use a plastic die in pressing this bezel to avoid scratches and ruining the aluminum die. Check out our separate video explaining in detail how to press a bezel to a case. Make sure the bezel is pressed and leveled in the case with minimum gaps visible. Next, we will install the chapter ring. Bezels bought at our store already comes with a gasket. Make sure to remove the gasket from the bezel before seating the chapter ring. If you notice, there are two small holes at the top of the case opposite to each other. This will seat the protruding legs found at the bottom of the chapter ring. It will lock the chapter ring firmly at its place. This also makes it easier to align the chapter rings with minute markers, but the one that we're using here has none. Once we see that the chapter ring is firmly in place, make sure to wipe clean the surroundings of the chapter ring before we install the glass, as it will be harder to remove visible dirt once the glass is installed. Then, make sure to return the glass gasket that you removed to its place before installing the glass. Clean the crystal glass with a microfiber thoroughly before installing. Check out our separate video explaining in detail how to press a crystal glass to a case. The procedures in pressing a glass on an SKX007 case and in most Seiko cases are the same. We have successfully installed the bezel, the chapter ring, and the sapphire glass to the SRPE case. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.